What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tis the season to be terrified out of your mind. So this is Terrifier, Art the Clown, dressed as Santa. So definitely Nightmare Before Christmas in this one. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hip pose if I go too fast. Now, best way to go for this one. Guess it's like all that black around his eye. So, like he's like looking down at us, right? So we'll just do this like happy eye, right? Up and down, right? And then like his tear duct here, but like his eye like curves that way. And then he's like looking down at us. It's kind of creepy. Right? And then he's got that clown makeup around his eye. And it's got like little spikes on it. That's all just, it's jet black sort of in there, so I can't really see anything. But I'll do some eyelid lines maybe. And maybe like a frown in there. As if he had an eyebrow, but he doesn't. Other one is pretty much the exact same. Very small, smiley eyes. And then that sort of clown-like makeup coming around the eye again. I'll give him some eyelid lines. Because he does have these like little bumps that come around like his eye. Kind of wrinkles and stuff. I know from the other version that I drew he has that, so then his nose, right? So we're kind of like looking up at him, so tip of his nose is kind of there, but it comes down pretty long. So we got a nostril, and then it's kind of pointy down here. And he has like a dot right in the tip of his nose, and then like skin of his nostril here. And on the other side, all these weird prosthetics. Right, so his cheekbones are kind of high, right? And then the inside of the cheek comes down from here and skirts around that black paint on his mouth. So it goes like down this way. Right, so there's like, his mouth then is in here. So he's got this like black makeup all around his mouth. And he shows those weird teeth. Those rotting, rotting teeth. What a character this guy is. Terrifying. So his mouth is sort of open. Right, with the teeth sort of showing. so we gotta do those. So he's got like a gum line, right? So 2 teeth down the middle. Big ones at first, and then they go around back of his mouth. They're kind of crazy big all the way back. I'm just going to put a shadow in here in the corner. Just sort of darken it up. So we gotta do some sort of like smaller teeth on the bottom. It's just real dark in that side of his mouth. That's his weird gums and everything. Okay, so his chin, yeah, and then the beard is kind of hanging off. Or is it connected? I'm not entirely sure. So we'll do his chin first anyway. And then the jaw comes out that way. And then it seems to go up. And kind of spikes out for that spiky cheek bone that he has. Goes up and underneath Santa's hat. So like cheekbones come down in here then. I think that's something on his mask. It's either the side of his head or part of his white mask. I'm not sure. So this fluffy hat, so just like fluff coming across here. And it comes down over sort of the hair, this fake sort of grey hair, you know. It's all sort of fluffy and textures and stuff on it. And the red part, just coming across. Down to the sort of white Christmas bauble. Just there. Right, so then it's like, oh, his eyebrows, sorry. Black sort of eyebrows here. And then it's like all big Santa hair. Just long. And like it becomes his beard as well, so it's like a long hair on the side, but then the beard is kind of hanging down. So we just add these kind of spikes. Just for the long hair. And then the beard, so like connects with the beard here. I'm not sure if it's hanging down because there's a dark shadow here, but maybe I'll just have it connected to his chin a little bit. It's not clear because it's either blood on the beard or it's a shadow underneath his chin, and it's not clear from the picture. But we'll do the beard like that anyway. And you could darken that maybe if you wanted it to have a shadow. So then just like red coat, there is an axe down there, but you know, I couldn't fit it in really. His hair is actually a bit longer there. Yeah, I think there's like a bit more hair here. And then his shoulder comes down. He's holding the hatchet. He's got like blood on his chin, and this is all like real dirty and stuff. Right, and then it's all like black, red, obviously. Ho ho ho. Happy Christmas. Don't have any nightmares now. Terrifying. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.